So here the power wire from the 4-wire is strictly by itself. The gray sensor wire, white to black, and then you're going to have a black extension for power. I usually cut it 1/2 size of the power wire. Then your other wire, the red wire off the sensor wire, goes to green. And again, white is your NC2 wire, is not used. We'll just put that to the side. At the top of your GPS plug, it's got a blue cover. When you install it, you remove it. It cannot have any moisture in there. This is the GPS itself. It just plugs in. When you do plug it in, you have to silicone it. Also, the seam around the bottom, all the way around, has to be siliconed. This is adhered with just two-sided 3M Velcro tape. And this is that 5 1/4 inch 3/8 hose that I cut.